silky smooth filling.
Who's that to?
You know.
To you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sally gave it to me for Christmas.
Is it from Grandma, Lee?
Yeah. It's 2 times. Love Grandpa.
Grandma.
Grandma. You can open it.
What is this? Magic!
What?
It's a magic kit.
Oh, magic. Wow.
Who is in magic? Magic is real.
I know it is. I've seen it happen.
And magic, I've seen a toy, a doll elf move.
You have.
Yeah, I have seen the elf on the shelf move.